In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set recurrence daily task in Zoho projects. If you have a task that needs to happen every day, setting it as recurring helps you stay consistent without recreating it each time. Zoho projects lets you do this right from the task creation or task details area, and once it is set, the system will generate the future occurrences based on your schedule. First, look at the left sidebar in Zoho projects and click Projects. From the list, select the specific project where you want the daily recurring task to live. This is important because recurrence is tied to the project you are working in, so make sure you are in the correct one before you continue. Next, go to the top navigation within that project and click the Tasks tab. This takes you to the area where you can view, create, and manage all tasks for the project. Now you have two options. If you are creating something new, click the Add Task button. If you already have a task you want to repeat daily, click the existing task name to open it. Either way, you need to be in a place where you can see the task's details. Once the task is open or visible in the task row, find and click Recurrence. This is the setting that controls if and how often the task repeats. When the recurrence options appear, set the repeat type to daily. Daily is the right choice for tasks that must happen every single day on a regular cadence. After choosing daily, you will need to decide when the recurrence should stop. You can do this in one of two ways. Choose End After to limit the recurrence by the number of occurrences, or choose End By to select a specific end date. Use End After when you know exactly how many times you want the task to repeat. Use End By when you want it to continue until a deadline or a cutoff date. Finally, click Set Recurrence to save your settings. After this, your task will follow the daily schedule you defined, and you can return to the tasks list to confirm it is set correctly. That covers everything you need to know.